Hi children, let us continue with our worksheet 1.5. Last class we have discussed 4 questions from the same worksheet, isn't it? Today we are going to discuss 5, 6 and 7 questions. Let us see. In 5th question they told you that fraction of eaten candies. They brought some candies to home and how many of them have eaten? 15 out of 45 is eaten. So how do you write it as a fractional form? 15 out of 45. So 15 is considered to be our numerator. By, there is a vinculum, separate them. So by total. Total how much? 45. So out of 45, 15 are eaten actually. So what is the remaining number of candies? Remaining number of candies are obtained by subtracting 15 from 45. So we have how many candies? 30 candies. So how do we write the fractional form? Representing the remaining candies. Fraction showing the remaining candies is how many remains? 30 out of 45. Same. Totally same. Okay. We can't change the total. Only change goes to the eaten and left one. Eaten one is 15. So how much remains? 30 remains. So its fraction is 30 by 45. Finished. Our second question is Rehan traveled. Distance traveled by Rehan in one day equal to 105 kilometer. And day 2 he covered 35 kilometer and 406 meter is given. And they asked you to find the total distance covered by Rehan in both these days. So what we have to do? Day 1, one distance is given. Day 2, another distance is given. How do we find the total distance in these 2 days? We have to add them. So before starting addition, look at here. Here only kilometer given. But here kilometer and meter is with it. Isn't it? Kilometer and meter is there. So what we do? Here also we have to give place for meter. But nothing is there. So what we do? After 105, what we can write? 0, 0, 0 meter we can write. Similarly, the second one you just write below. 35 kilometer, 406 meter. Now add column wise. Column wise addition will give you 406. There is no problem because all these are zeros. So addition will give 406 meter itself. And here 5 plus 5, 0. Carry over 1 to the next column. 1 plus 3, 4. Remaining 1 you bring down. So 140 kilometer, 406 meter is the next one. Okay, let us move to 7th question. In 7th question, we are discussing the amount of rice in a sack. Amount of rice in a sack equal to 14 kg 678 gram is there. From this, a small quantity has taken out. How much has taken out? Weight of rice taken out is equal to 5 kg 450 gram. So they asked you to find the amount of rice left in the sack. Amount of rice left in the sack. How do we find out the amount of rice left in the sack? We need subtraction. Okay. Sack having some quantity of rice and some quantity has been taken out. So how do you find the remaining one? Just as this one. Eaten candies is 15. So remaining is obtained by subtraction. Same method. Amount of rice left in the sack equal to subtract. So column wise subtraction. First the gram part. 8 minus 0, 8. 7 minus 5, 2. 6 minus 4, 2. Kg. Then 14 together you take. 14 minus 5 how much? 9. It's finished. Okay. Let us move to the other question. Sorry, I forgot to tell one thing. In this case, here 105 kilometer does not have any meter part. That's why we have added 0, 0, 0, etc. But here already they have given gram parts and 3 digits are already given in the question itself. So there is nothing arises. Directly we can subtract them. Okay, so let us move to the other question. Let us see what is it. Okay. Let us continue with our 8th question. What is 8th question saying? Amit practices guitar for 240 minutes. We have to convert this 240 minutes into hours. And already we know 60 minutes together will give us 1 hour. Here we have 240 minutes. So what we have to do is, in 240, how many 60s are there? How many 60s are there? How to calculate how many 60s are there? We have to divide this number by 60. 240 by 60, both having zeros. Let us cancel that 0 first. Then we have 24 by 6. You already studied the table of 6. In 24, how many 6s are there? How many 6s are there? 4. So answer is 4 hours. 4 hours. Required answer is 4 hours. Any doubt? Is it clear? Let us move to 9th question. Cost of a packet of erasers. One packet of erasers is 15.45 rupees. Then what is the cost of 7 such factors? 7 such packets. One packet having 15.45. So what is the cost of 7 packets? How do we do to calculate? We need to multiply. First you multiply. Then let us consider the decimal point. Okay, usual multiplication first. Number only you need to consider, multiply. 7 5s are 35. Let me write 3 balance here. 7 4s are 48. Sorry. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 3, 31. 3 on the top. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 3 is 38. 3 again balance. 1 7 is 7. 7 plus 3, 10. Once again, 35, 3 remains, 31, 3 remains, 38, 3 remains, 10. Now look at the decimal places. Now the multiplication is completed, we got an answer. But we need to place decimal point also. For that, you look at the question. In question, how many decimal places are there? Decimal places means after the point, how many digits are there on the right side? Okay, how many digits are there on the right side? 1, 2. How many are there? 2 digits are there. Decimal places means after the decimal point, how many digits are on the right side of the point? Right side, how many digits are there? 2. So you also start from your right hand to left hand. Take 2 digits. 1, count. 1, 2, place that is our required answer. That is rupees 108.15 rupees. And there are 2 questions from your worksheet 1.6. That is to draw a pictograph. That you try yourself. Okay. 1.6 homework worksheet 1.6. Okay. Pictograph. They have given the data is given to you. Look at the data. You have to represent it in the form of a pictograph. Any symbol. What is meant by pictograph? Representing a given data using pictures or symbols. Using pictures or symbols. Any symbol you can use. There is no restriction. But according to the question, you have to select each symbol represents how much. Okay. Try yourself. If you are not getting, teacher will explain. Thank you.